In this video, I will show you how to get shaders on Minecraft Bedrock. So let's jump straight into it. Now, Minecraft Bedrock does have the option to enable shaders. There's no third-party application you have to actually download. It's actually inbuilt into Minecraft Bedrock. So to do this, as you can see, I'm currently in one of my worlds, and what you're going to want to do first is come back to the main menu. So if you go ahead, pause the game, and what you want to do is click onto save and quit. So we're going to save our world and return back to the menu. As you can see, that's currently saved. What we want to do is come back to the main menu and click onto settings. And once you're in your settings, you want to come over to the left hand side and scroll down until you see the option for video underneath general. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. And what you want to do is come up to the top to graphics mode. You can see it's currently set to simple, but if you give this a click and change it to vibrant visuals, that's going to go ahead and automatically add shaders. So once that's done, what we're going to do is come back out of our settings and we're just going to go ahead and jump back into our world. So let's go ahead and jump into the one that I was just playing in. You can see that's just loading through now. And once that's loaded through, as you can see, the vibrant visuals have now been applied. So you can see there's actually a bit more of like a reflection on the water, and you've got these cool shadows now for the trees and things like that. So I did some shadows under the animals, like this pig, for example. And that's how you can go ahead and get shaders in Minecraft Bedrock. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.